Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am feeling very sleepy today.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I went to bed very late.
Why did you go to bed late?
I was reading a very good book.
I see. You look a little tired.
Yes, my eyes are heavy.
You need a strong cup of coffee.
I definitely need coffee right now.
Did you hear your alarm clock this morning?
Yes, my alarm rang at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock is a very early time.
I always wake up at 6.
I hit the snooze button 3 times today.
I never hit the snooze button.
Really? How do you do that?
I put my phone far away from my bed.
That is a very smart trick.
Yes, I have to stand up to turn it off.
Once you stand up, you are awake.
Exactly. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
That is a nice time to wake up.
What is the first thing you do?
I open the curtains to let the sunlight in.
Sunlight is very good for the morning.
Yes, it tells my brain to wake up.
I look at my phone first.
You check your messages?
Yes, I read messages and check the weather.
The weather app is very useful.
It tells me what clothes to wear.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I always make my bed.
A clean room makes a happy mind.
I agree. It only takes 2 minutes.
Then I go straight to the bathroom.
Me too. I need to wash my face.
Cold water wakes me up completely.
I prefer washing my face with warm water.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a quick 10-minute shower.
I take my shower at night before bed.
A morning shower makes me feel fresh.
I understand, but I like to save time.
Do you wash your hair every morning?
No, I only wash my hair twice a week.
It takes too long to dry long hair.
Exactly. I use a hairdryer when I do.
I always brush my teeth next.
I brush my teeth after I eat breakfast.
Really? I like to brush them before eating.
Both ways are okay, I think.
What kind of toothpaste do you use?
I use a mint toothpaste.
Mint makes your mouth feel very clean.
Do you shave in the morning?
Yes, I shave my face every day.
After the bathroom, I get dressed.
Do you wear a uniform to work?
No, I can wear casual clothes.
That is very comfortable.
Yes, I usually wear jeans and a shirt.
I have to wear a suit to my office.
Wearing a suit every day must be hard.
It is, and I have to iron my shirts.
Do you iron your clothes in the morning?
No, I iron them on Sunday night.
That is a very organized habit.
It saves me a lot of stress.
I just pick my clothes from the closet.
Do you look in the mirror before leaving?
Yes, to make sure my hair looks good.
I put on a little perfume in the morning.
Smelling good is very important.
Then I pack my bag for the day.
What do you put in your bag?
I pack my laptop, my notebook, and a pen.
I pack my bag the night before.
You are very prepared.
I hate rushing in the morning.
Rushing makes people forget things.
Yes, I once forgot my keys.
That is a terrible way to start the day.
After dressing, I go to the kitchen.
Ah, the best part of the morning.
Breakfast is the most important meal.
Do you cook a big breakfast?
I usually make something simple.
Like what? Toast and butter?
I like to eat 2 boiled eggs.
Eggs are very good for you.
They give me a lot of protein.
I eat cereal with cold milk.
Cereal is very fast to prepare.
Yes, it takes only 1 minute.
Do you eat fruit in the morning?
I always eat a yellow banana.
Bananas are sweet and healthy.
I also drink a large glass of orange juice.
I drink coffee, black coffee.
You don't put sugar in your coffee?
No, sugar is not good for my health.
I cannot drink bitter coffee.
You get used to the taste quickly.
I prefer drinking green tea.
Green tea is also very healthy.
Yes, it warms my stomach.
Do you eat breakfast alone?
Yes, I sit at the table and eat alone.
Do you watch TV while you eat?
Sometimes I turn on the morning news.
I listen to the radio in the kitchen.
I like to hear the weather report again.
Do you wash your dishes immediately?
Yes, I wash my bowl and spoon.
I put my dishes in the dishwasher.
A dishwasher makes life so easy.
Are you ready to leave after breakfast?
Almost. I need to put on my shoes.
Do you wear sneakers to work?
No, I have to wear black leather shoes.
I wear comfortable walking shoes.
You are lucky you can wear those.
Then I put on my jacket.
Is it cold outside today?
Yes, the mornings are very chilly now.
I need to remember my scarf.
Always double check before you open the door.
Phone, wallet, keys. The golden rule.
Yes, if I have those three, I am fine.
I also grab my water bottle.
Staying hydrated is a great habit.
Do you lock the door behind you?
Yes, I lock the door twice to be sure.
I do the same thing. I am very careful.
What time do you leave the house?
I walk out the door at 8 o'clock.
I leave my house at 7:30.
How do you travel to your office?
I take the bus to work.
Is the bus stop near your house?
It is only a 5-minute walk.
That is very convenient for you.
Yes, but the bus is always full.
Do you have to stand up on the bus?
Usually, yes, I stand for 20 minutes.
I drive my car to work.
Driving must be nice and private.
It is, but the traffic is terrible.
There are too many cars on the road.
Sometimes I sit in traffic for a long time.
What do you do while you drive?
I listen to interesting podcasts.
What kind of podcasts do you like?
I listen to English learning podcasts.
That is a great way to practice.
I agree. It makes the drive less boring.
I listen to music on my headphones.
Music gives me good energy for the day.
Yes, I listen to pop and rock music.
What time do you arrive at work?
I get to my office at 8:15.
You arrive very early.
I like to have time to relax before working.
I arrive at exactly 8:59.
Just 5 minutes before you start?
Yes, I run from the parking lot.
You should leave your house earlier.
I know, but I love sleeping too much.
When I arrive, I say hello to everyone.
Saying good morning is very polite.
My coworkers are very friendly.
It is nice to work with good people.
Then I sit at my desk and turn on the computer.
The screen lights up and the day begins.
Yes, the morning routine is finally over.
Then the real work starts.
I always check my email first thing.
I have a morning meeting every day at 9.
Morning meetings can be boring.
I just sit there and drink my tea.
Well, talking about mornings made me awake.
Yes, I feel much better now too.
Your coffee must be cold by now.
It is a little cold, but it's okay.
Do you have a lot of work today?
I have to finish a big project today.
I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. I will need it.
I have a very quiet day today.
Enjoy the peace while you can.
I will. It was nice talking to you.
It was great talking to you too.
Have a wonderful morning.
Have a great day at work.
See you later.
Goodbye.